1991 V6 Chevy 1500 manual transmission. I'll show you guys how to change out the slave cylinder and the master cylinder. I'm kind of in a rush, so I'll just show you briefly. Your master cylinder has two bolts, pretty much just studs. There's one down there. See that? And it has one over there. Those are each 1/2 inch. You also want to make sure on your clutch pedal, look up in there, follow your clutch pedal all the way up. Look and make sure that rod isn't bent. Make sure it's in functioning condition, because this one isn't retracting the fork back enough on the slave cylinder. So we're going to go ahead and change everything out. This is the new one. Comes as a kit. This one's about $230 at AutoZone. And then here's the new piece that connects to the clutch pedal. So I'll go ahead and start by taking out the master cylinder. And I'll start going underneath the car on the slave cylinder. It has the same nuts as the master. 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. And I'll go ahead and go down there and crack that line off before I loosen these nuts and let all the fluid drain out. Take the cap off too. That'd be the easiest way to get it out.